So we're going to talk briefly about the new hinge design and just overall lid design of the new 2021 Legions. We're going to specifically be looking at the Legion 5 and 5 Pro, as those are the ones I have files available for. Now, this is the 5. This is the 2020 Legion 5. And you can see we've got these support bars. They've got a few rivets in them. You've got the hinge mounted here and here, and you know, overall, I mean, it looks alright. And the design's fine. It's lasted a long time. I haven't really heard any reports of Legion 5 hinge failure, especially on the lid side of things. But yeah, so this is the 2020 design, and here we have the Legion 5 Pro's lid design. We have these mounts screwed in here or something. We don't have a really clear shot of what's going on. It's kind of hard to tell, but it looks like they've got some sort of support here. And if that's the case, that's great, because then that's all glued down, and then it's just kind of, the hinge is just going to be screwed into something like stable, which is good. But I can't tell honestly here. But this doesn't look bad. I would not be worried about this design in particular. Yep, so this is the Legion 7's old design. Like, this is infinitely worse than, you know, this by a long shot. This is way better than this complete garbage. Yeah. But then we have the 2021 Legion 5 lid design, and holy rivets. We have probably the biggest, like, subframe I've seen in a laptop lid. This thing is crazy, and this is, I think this is the 15-inch model. I'm pretty sure it is. Let me double check real quick just to be sure. That might be the 17. I don't know if I'll be able to tell. This is a shared manual between the two, and generally the manuals are the 15-inch variant. But, like, geez, look at the freaking rivets on that thing. It's incredible. Like, we're not going to have any hinge issues on this thing, I don't think, at all. And if we do, I would be surprised, to be frank, because, like, that is probably the best, you know, lid design I've seen come out of Lenovo in recent times. I mean, this is probably even better than some of the stuff they put in the ThinkPads, so yeah, well, props to Lenovo for fixing their crap. Hopefully the Legion 7 is a little better this year, so we don't have a whole comment section full of people telling me that their Legions are broken. But yeah, hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you guys later.